Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be matting this folio. And this folio is like actually from a series of 3 folios, baby boy folios. Baby girl folios are coming. This is actually a kit with all the papers needed to make the folio. I will just start matting the folio. Oh, and before I start with matting, I will just show you quickly all of these 3 folios that I made. They will be actually put in this folio album, all 3 pages. So you can use all of them as a standalone pieces, or you can attach them in folio albums. And this is what I will actually do. I will put them in album. I will show you this folio very quickly before I start matting. So here is like one pocket flap on the top, and then from the inside here is like photo mat attached onto the flap, and then down here is another pocket flap with a photo mat inside. I will start with matting this upper flap, and for the outside of the flap I will use first these 3 pieces, and this will be for the pocket opening and for the top of the pocket. And for the top I will use this baby tack, and I will adhere a tack onto cardstock piece, and then of course I will cut these corners off because my tag doesn't have corners. I mean it has cut off corners. Here I have all pieces for a photo mat for this pocket here, and here is how I will arrange them. Here is photo mat, and I will insert it into the pocket, and look at this. This is how it looks so far. And now I will open the flap to the top, and I will mat the inside, actually the interior of the flap. And here I have 3 pieces. One is for this floral paper, and I will adhere it here on the top, and then down here I will adhere this blue paper, and then here on hinge goes the same paper. On the inside of this flap, I will attach a mat, and first I will mat it and then I will show you how to attach it. So this will be exterior of the flap, of the mat, and on this piece only this piece of paper will be adhered. And I will adhere it to the bottom part, and like 1/16 of an inch from bottom and side edges of the mat. And now I will turn this mat with this piece of paper to be on a top. So just turn it around this way. These pieces are the same, and the larger will go on top, and then the smaller piece will go at the bottom. And then here in the middle is this solid paper. I will apply double-sided tape to the whole part of the exterior of the mat, and I will start applying like maybe just a bit above the edge of the striped paper. And you need to adhere this piece the way that, of course, striped paper will be at the top. And now how you will attach this mat to the flap. You need to align bottom line of the mat with this upper line, with upper edge of this bluish paper. Like so, and just then space it, center it like evenly from side edges. So now I will move to the bottom flap, and I have these 3 pieces. One for the upper part, and then this one will go in the middle, and then another paper for bottom part of the flap. Here is photo mat in the pocket, so for now I will take it out, and I will open the flap to the bottom, and I have 4 pieces. First, I have this piece to cover the hinge, and then this beautiful tag of this baby, and then another paper the same as the one at the bottom for the hinge. And then here, maybe I will turn this a different way, and then I have the striped paper here at the bottom. And now I will continue with matting the mat for this pocket. And I have 3 pieces here, the border, and then the paper with hearts, and then this blue paper at the bottom. No, or you know what, maybe I will do this. Maybe I will put this up here. And the mat will go back into the pocket. I haven't realized they're matted with the same paper. It's not the same way. Okay, so now all that I need to mat is the base, and I have these pieces for the base here. I will have the paper with flowers, and then this floral paper, and then solid paper for photographs, and then here is another blue paper. Okay, folio is finished, and now I will attach all 3 folios in a folio album. And for now I am finished with baby boy folios. I might do some more in the future, but for now these 3 folios are finished, and they will be actually in folio album. And in next videos I will start matting, I will show you folios for baby girl. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this project, and I will be back soon with another project. Until next time, goodbye.